credit card stacking. If you've never heard of this concept, it's gonna blow you away. I'm specifically gonna be talking about business credit card stacking, but you can apply this to your personal credit. However, I suggest doing it on your business credit side because it does not reflect on your personal credit report at all. Business credit card stacking is where we strategically and sequentially go after credit products based on where they pull from. So for example, Chase may pull from Experian. Bank of America may pull from TransUnion. Truist Bank may pull from Equifax. The sauce is neither one of these banks will know I applied for credit at the other because they're only checking their specific bureau where they pull from. So that's how we credit card stack. DM the word credit right now. If you need personal credit repair, business credit help, personal or business trade lines, personal or business funding, DM credit right now.